we're going to show, oh god, the helmet. I bought this here from my local Walmart. It's called the Air Dragon. In the previews you might see the commercial for this little thing here. It's basically a tire air gun. You plug it into your cigarette lighter in your car, and you just pump up a flat tire. So we're here at our local Wawa, as you can see, Wawa, and what we're going to do is we have our free air pump, a tire that's not totally flat but will need some air, and we're going to see how well this works. So first up, we have our little tire gauge here. We're going to check and see how much there is in the tire right now. Okay, so as we do here, plug it up according to what that says, 35. One more time, according to what it says, 35 psi. Basically this tire holds, how much does it hold? I don't know. From what I remember, over here, holds 44 psi. I put 41 in it because, you know, it's easier to do, and as the car gets hot, the tire gets pumped up. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Air Dragon and see what's inside the box. Here we have, ooh, get a free diamond. Here we have our Air Dragon itself, and doesn't seem like a lot of stuff in here, but then there's the cord, your accessories for powering, putting air into other things, but we're just going to use the valve. Here we have in my car a 12-volt port, and we're going to undo this, and basically after it's all said and done, this puppy goes back to Walmart because I am not keeping this crap. I don't need it. My tires don't leak. And basically, as you can see, little sticky thing says here, remove before use. Stops when set, pressure set, okay. Looks like I need my car turned on. So we're gonna see how this goes. Give me a second while I turn on my car. Yeah, interesting day. Come here to do this and there's nobody here. Now all of a sudden there's a ton of people here who want air in their car. Turn it on. Oh, and it kicked on already. Wow, this thing is loud. And according to this, looks like it has well, as you can see right off the bat, it's not working properly. Let's see how this goes here. That's the valve that goes in there. Okay, so we need to read the instructions to see how this works. Plug that, twist, and then put back on. Set the PSI. No, that goes there. Oh, so you take this, put this in here like that, put the little rubber part over it, I guess, and then you wedge this little piece in here like that, and then you take this part here and you twist it down like that, and what that should do is tighten down on it, creating a vacuum seal. As you can see, do like that. Quality of this, sheer cheap plastic. That's what I say. And then you plug this in here, and as you can see, it goes on automatically. And that's really it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on here, and it's got a perfect seal, and according to what that says, it's 39 psi that's in this thing already, and we're gonna up it to, let's see, 41. Let's take it to 42. Oh, check that out. Pumping up. It's pumping up. Still pumping up. It's supposed to be going to 42 psi, and we're figuring, still running. Oh, and we're just watching it work, and so far, according to what it says here, it's at 42 psi. And it's still running. It just stopped. It said there was 47 in it and bounced back to 40. It says 47 in it. Interesting. Alright, well. It says there's 45 in it now. And now it's actually stopped totally. And according to what the little window says in there, it says 43 psi. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Let's take it off.
Oh my God, this is a piece of crap.
Hey Jack, how you doing, buddy?
Yeah, you bring me out here early ass in the morning to do this. With this, what the hell is that anyway?
Jack, it's called an air dragon.
That does not look like no damn air dragon.
Jack. It's supposed to pump up the air in your tire.
Okay.
Now let's check it with the gauge again. Oops. Let's see what the gauge says. According to the gauge, it says there's only 40 in it. And yep, 40 to the gauge. Well, the real test is we're gonna stretch over there and get the air from the air gun, from the air pump, and we're gonna put the air in the tire and see what it comes out to be really. Now, according to what it says, it pumped it up because we took it down to 35. And overall, we shall see. Night light on it, so you could do it at night. But here comes the real test.
Yeah, this crap better work, because the next time you wake me up to come all the way the frick out here just to put air in some freaking tires, you are seriously crazy.
Calm down, Jack. All right. Now we're putting 41 according to the little thing on there. This stops after it starts beeping. Ooh. Well, according to the thing, it says there was 48 psi in the tire. The Air Dragon worked, but it is not accurate.
See what happens when you buy crap? You need to go to a gas station and put air in it the regular way.
Jack, come on now. So, okay. As for seeing what this thing
is crap.
Jack, let me finish.
No, this thing is crap. You get up just to come and mess with this BS crap. Hell no. Would I want to use this? No. Look at it. Look like a little toy for some kid. Like a little freaking toy gun. No. Not using this.
All right, Jack. So, in your opinion, my friend, is it worth it or is it crap?
I'm gonna tell you straightforward, Mr. Tech News Guru. This is crap. How much did you spend on this shit anyway?
Hey, Jack. $40.
$40 could have got us some beer. Or $40 could have taken us out on a bike night. Take this shit back. Forget it. I'm out. You and dumbass crap. Later.
All right, Jack. I guess we got your opinion about it. Yeah, folks, it's all right. For pumping up a tire, I would say best thing to do, yes, but if you catch a flat, this ain't gonna help you because flat's gonna be worse than what this can really help. And overall too, this is only good for like when you have things at home, a bicycle, basketball, soccer ball, stuff like that, where you don't need that much to pump it up. This will do that job, but for a car tire, no, because the way I see it, this will kill it off because it takes too much effort to put air in a tire, and a regular air pump like that one over there will do it faster. And second best thing to do is also buy an air gauge, so at least you make sure you're putting the correct amount of pressure in it, because according to this thing here, it said it put 42 and that says there's 48 in it. Oh, wait a minute, let's check the after test from that machine with the air gauge, and that'll let us know. This still saying there's only 40 in it. Anyway, yeah. Alright, folks, well, this is the Tech News Guru doing our vlog on the Air Dragon. Is it worth it? I would say it's a 50-50. Jack says no. I say it's a 50-50. Reason why? It's something good to have at home. There is no regular plug. You'd have to use your phone. Alright? Tech News Guru out.